Let's meet Justin, a college student. He used to struggle with allergies, making his days uncomfortable and nights sleepless. Desperate for relief, he decided to buy a Boneco air shower fan for perfect air circulation and hygienic environment. So, Justin searched on Google for a reputed online shop, found Bright Air and explored their products. He was amazed to find branded items there and quickly purchased one. Their air shower fan had modern features like 270 degrees manually rotatable airflow, ESP air filtration and more. Justin was happy with their product that effectively improved indoor air quality by capturing germs and viruses. So, like him, do you also want to buy a premium Boneco air shower fan? Browse the exclusive collection of Bright Air. For more details, visit brightair.co.uk or call 012992122747.